Hello all you beautiful people, how are you doing today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi, how are you? So today we're going to be doing another HumbleBundle. This is a book bundle and it's all about game design and animation by Packt. If you're new here, you can check out the bundles up at the top. And I have videos on all of those if you want to check them out. For the total bundle, it is $1,190 worth of awesome stuff. Of course, that is if you get the top bundle. But you can start at just $1 or more. These are DRM free, which means you can put them on multiple devices. So if you want them on your computer, your laptop, your phone, your tablet, whatever, you can put them on all your different devices. They also comes in multiple formats, so PDF, Mobi, and EPUB. So depending on what app you use, it also comes in that, so that way you can use them in multiple different ways. As of right now, there's 20 days, 22 hours, 31 minutes, and 14 seconds left of this bundle. If you need to come back and purchase it later, you can hit this little reminder button and it'll send you an email when it's getting close to the bundle being up. Typically, it's about 2 to 3 days, I would say. And there is 8 bundles sold. Alright, so you can always get the bundle here, or you can click down below and you choose which bundle you would like. So let's start out. For the $1 bundle, this is what you get. So the first is a video, and it's a level up your CSS animation skills. This is a video course full of real downloadable code examples. You'll be able to take the knowledge as well as the real working code to your projects and make sure they stand out. Who this is for? This is for web developers, designers, and developers. Anyone who wants to build amazing animated websites and apps can take the course. Next, we have Learn the Foundations of Blender. This is another video course. And explore Blender's 3D modeling tools, get the grips with material and textures, discover all about cycles, light, and rendering. It's for students who have just started using Blender or have no animation experience with 3D modeling and rendering. You'll also find this course helpful if you're looking to start a career in game development or simply want to create game designs for fun. So, fun little fact about me, I'm actually going to school right now for graphics design. I thought about taking animation, but I'm going to learn animation on my own and then do all the graphics design stuff in school. So, for instance, this is a bundle that I'm probably going to get the top bundle because anything I can find to help me learn more about animation and all that kind of stuff is right up my alley. So, let me know if you're interested in this bundle. Tell me what you think, even if you think it's crap. Love to hear your thoughts. Alright, next we have Hands-on C++ Game Animation Programming. This one is a book, and you can click here to see a preview of the PDF. So this one builds a functional and production-ready modern animation system with complete features using C++. Learn basic, advanced, and skinned animation programming with a step-by-step guide. Discover the math required to implement cutting-edge animation techniques such as inverse nematics and dual quadrions, whatever that word is. So this book is for professionals, independent, and hobbyist developers interested in building a robust animation system from the ground up. Some knowledge of the C++ programming language will be helpful. Next, we have Clip Studio Paint, and my husband and I just bought a license for that, so pretty cool. You can view the PDF here. Overcome interface overwhelm with a practical breakdown of the Clip Studio interface. Comprehensive guide on the Clip Studio Paint with detailed coverage of all the tools and concepts of designing comics. Fun fact, Clip Studio Paint was actually designed for Sorry, I keep getting tongue-tied. It was actually designed for manga. Awesome, right? Yeah, anyway. So it is a comprehensive guide on the Clip Studio Paint with detailed coverage of all the tools and concepts of designing comics. Streamline your workflow to create faster and easier using Clip Studio's features. Who this book is for: if you're a beginner digital artist or are switching to Clip Studio from another graphics software, this book is for you. This book is excellent for those with no knowledge of digital art up to intermediate users looking to explore the unique features of Clip Studio Paint. And it does have some unique features, so if you're interested in Clip Studio Paint, and they do have a free trial, so you should go check that out. All right, next we have Blender 3D by example, and again, you can see a sample of the PDF here. Learn the basics of 3D design and navigate your way around the Blender interface. Understand how 3D components work and how to create 3D contents for your games. Familiarize yourself with 3D modeling, texturing, lighting, rendering, and sculpting with Blender. Who this book is for: whether you're completely new to Blender or an animation veteran enticed by Blender's newest features, this book will have something for you. So look at this. It's some very awesome learning you can get for just $1. So even if you come and pick up the $1 bundle, I think it's well worth it. So, all right. So the next bundle is $8. And if you don't know, whenever you purchase the tier, you will always get the tiers above it. So for instance, you get the $8 tier, you'll get the $1 tier. If you purchase the $15 tier, you will get the $8 and $1 tier. Okay? All right, so for $8 or more, you will also unlock these. So let's see what they are. All right, so for this one, we have create a game character, Blender, Substance Painter, and Unity. Key features are learn Opengl and GLSL, learn and make fun procedural computer graphics. Who this video is for: this course is for computer graphical students, Opengl game developers, computer graphics enthusiasts, and game developers. The relevant source code is also included. So that's pretty cool. Another video course. Next, we have Mastering Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020. You can click here to view the preview. But this includes updated to the latest version of Photoshop Elements 2020 with focused coverage on Adobe's latest AI technology. Organize, search, and keep track of an ever-increasing number of images and videos using expert practices. Discover common solutions in a wide range of photographic and image editing problems. Who this book is for: this book is creative and enthusiastic photographers with elementary experience in photo editing. If you are looking to organize your picture collection and take control of post-processing requirements, you'll find this book useful. Though not necessary, photography skills alongside basic photo editing knowledge will help you to get the most out of this book. Next, we have Blender for Video Production Quick Start Guide. You can click here to view the PDF. Use the Blender Video Editing Toolkit and UI. Make a 3D infographic and interactive video with the latest Blender toolkit. Prepare a video production with live markings for tracking. Who this book is for: anyone trying to produce content based on videos for platforms like YouTube. Those artists will need a software to cut and edit video footage or make small intro clips, animations, or infographics for video. So if you're trying to do some YouTube stuff and you're trying to do it by yourself, this is pretty good. Next, we have Hands-on Motion Graphics with Adobe After Effects CC. Again, you can click here, view the PDF. Design, animation, and sequence a complete motion graphics project. Work with compositions and pre-compositions to create animations speedily. Maximize your motion graphics and visual effects skills. This book is designed for if you're a student, professional, YouTuber, or anyone who is interested in video editing, animation, and motion graphics. This book is for you. You'll also find this resource useful if you're an illustrator looking to put your creations into motion. And last for this bundle, it is another video course. It is Opengl and GSL Fundamentals with C++. It's a practical course. Key features: learn Opengl and GLSL. Learn and make fun procedural and computer graphics. This course is for computer graphical students, Opengl game developers, computer graphic enthusiasts, and game developers. The relevant source code is also included. So that is what you get for the $8 bundle. Now for the $15 bundle, which is the top bundle on this one. So if you purchase the $15 one, you will get everything we've already discussed. Okay, so the first one is another video program, and it's Learn Modern OpenGL Programming. Learn to set up OpenGL window using GLFW and OpenGL API. Learn programming with modern OpenGL. Who this video is for: people who wish to learn modern OpenGL and its programmable rendering pipeline. Whether you're trying to learn OpenGL for school, in the pursuit of a career, or simply looking for a hobby, this course will be perfect for you. And you know, courses are popular right now, so I don't know. I think this would be a pretty popular bundle in my opinion, but what do I know? Okay, next we have the practical game design. Implement the skills and techniques required to work in a professional studio. Ace the core principles and process of level design, world building, and storytelling. Design interactive characters that animate this gaming world. Who this book is for: whether you're a student eager to design a game or a junior game designer looking for your first role as a professional. This book will help you with the fundamentals of game design. By focusing on best practices and a pragmatic approach, practical game design provides insights into the arts and crafts from 2 senior game developers that will interest more seasoned professionals in the game industry. So next we have Game Design with Unity 2019. All-inclusive guide to the fundamentals of effective game design with Unity. And again, this is another video. Get started with building new projects, importing assets, and designing levels for fun action games. Comprehensive coverage of Unity's key features for engaging 3D designs. This course is for game artists, level designers, and creative professionals who want to make the Unity game engine to design amazing games. Some basic knowledge of Unity is useful to take this course, but an introduction will be provided for beginners. Okay, next we have Mastering UI Development with Unity. This one is a PDF, and you can click here to get a little preview. Develop a game UI with both technical and aesthetic considerations. Use all of the UI elements provided by Unity's UI system. Step-by-step examples of creating user interfaces, components, in the top game genres. Who this book is for: this book is for anyone keen to improve their games via a great user interface with Unity's UI system. If you're looking for a book that explains how to develop specific user interfaces, or that thoroughly explains how each of the individual Unity components work, then this book is for you. Next, we have Introduction to 3D Character Animation in Unreal Engine 4. This is another video course. Explore the XL alien character along with 28 motion capture animations. Focus on Genesis 2 male and female characters. Delve into setting up a scene complete with sci-fi spaceship interiors. Who this video is for: this course is for artists, filmmakers, and game developers interested in creating stunning cinematic animations in UE4. Alright, next we have Unreal Engine 4 Virtual Reality Projects. This is another PDF, and you can preview it here. Learn about effective VR design and develop virtual reality games and applications for every VR platform. Build essential features for VR such as player locomotions and interactions, 3D user interfaces, and 360 media players. Learn about multiplayer networks and how to extend the engine using plugins and asset packs. Sorry about that. Who this book is for: this book is for anyone interested in learning to develop virtual reality games and applications using UE4. Developers new to UE4 will benefit from hands-on projects that guide readers throughout clearly explained steps, while both new and experienced developers will learn crucial principles and techniques for VR development in UE4. Okay, next we have the Got It Engine Game Development Projects. It's another PDF and you can preview it here. Learn the art of developing cross-platform games. Leverage Got It's node and scene system to design robust, reusable game objects. Integrate blenders easily and effective with Got It to create powerful 3D games. Got It Engine Game Development Project is for both new users and experienced developers who want to learn to make games using a modern game engine. Some prior programming experience in C and C++ is recommended. Next, we have real-time 3D graphics with WebGL2. It is PDF and you can preview it here. Create visually stunning, high-performance 3D applications for the web with WebGL2. A complete course on 3D computer graphics, rendering, 3D math, lighting, cameras, and more. Unlock a variety of new and advanced features offered in WebGL2. Who this book is for? This book is designed for developers who are interested in building highly interactive 3D applications for the web. A basic understanding of JavaScript is necessary. No prior computer graphics or WebGL knowledge is required. Next, we have Opengl 4 Shading Language Cookbook. It's another PDF, and you can preview it here. Explore techniques for implementing shadows using shadow maps and shadow volumes. Learn to use GLSL features such as compute, geometry, tessellation, and tessellation shaders. Use GLSL to create a wide variety of modern realistic visual effects. Who this book is for? If you're a graphics programmer looking to learn the GLSL language, shading language, this book is for you. A basic understanding of 3D graphics and programming experience with C++ are required. And last, we have Mastering SVG. It's another PDF. You can click here to get the preview. Master the art of custom animations and visualizations with SVG, CSS, and JavaScript. Combine SVG with third-party libraries and frameworks such as React, jQuery, D3, and Snap SVG for GUI-rich apps. Create an awesome user experience for high-performance graphics for your web applications. This book is for web developers and designers looking to add animation to their projects. Some experience with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is required. Alright, that is the $15 bundle. As always, Humble always supports a charity. This one supports the Arthritis Foundation. Now you can click on here, whichever amount you want to get the bundle. If the dollar one doesn't show, which sometimes it doesn't, you can always click custom amount and type in your dollar there. It will give you a warning saying that if you do that, it won't give you the other ones. That's okay. It's fine. If you want just the smaller bundle, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Alright, so then you can also click and choose where your money goes, and you can click here to purchase this as a gift to send to somebody. You can even make your gifts anonymous, which is pretty cool. Alright, that is the new bundle. It is the Game Design and Animation by Packt bundle. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I will have my affiliate link down below, so if you click on it, I would appreciate it. It does give me a little bit from it, but you don't have to click on it either way. Hopefully you enjoyed the information. Until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned.